Eldritch here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make Japanese Nama chocolate. It's very easy and yummy. Let's get started. So what we are going to need is 380 grams of dark chocolate compound.
Looks like this. You can use any others chocolate compound. It works well too.
And we need 50 ml of milk. And 2 tablespoons of margarine. For the mold, I want to use rectangle and heart shape. I'm going to cut the chocolate thinly. Please be careful with your fingers when you do it. We are finally done. Then put it in a bowl of we are going to melt the chocolate by double boiling it. Be careful of the hot water. Ooh, so hot. Then let's pour the milk. Next, add 1 tablespoon of margarine. And stir it softly. Look at the chocolate melting. It's all melting. Ooh, look at it melt, melt, melt. Wow, it is fully melted. Now, there's just 1 chunk of chocolate there.
We continue stirring the chocolate until it's fully melted. Almost there.
Okay, it's fully melted. Now we are going to take out the chocolate and pour it into the mold. Turn off the heat. Put the baking paper on the mold. Butter the box first. Butter all over the mold. Okay, we are done. Now let's put our baking paper. Part. I'm going to pour the melted chocolate into the rectangle mold. Wow!
Alright. Then just do this one by one. You can do it, Aaron. One last
one. Oops, and clean the mess. Then put it in a fridge for 3 to 4 hours. This is it after several hours in the fridge. Now we take it out of the mold. Wow, I love the shape. I can't wait to taste it. Now for the rectangle, let's just cut it into small squares. Please cut the chocolate gently. You don't want to break it, right? Now is the fun part. Let's sprinkle the chocolate with cocoa powder. The cocoa powder looks like this. Use the strainer to powder the chocolate.
Okay. Done.
Now it's done. Let's re-taste it. Interesting. So yummy. I can use this as a present for my friend. Please try my recipe. See you again next time. Bye.